Hey all, this is Loner 420 from Loner 420 House. Happy 420 all. January 6th, Tuesday, Vancouver Island, 2015. Just foggy day today. Happy 420 all. Yes, the rest of Canada, they have snowstorms all over BC. The mainland here on the island is just fog everywhere I see here. So I'm out with the dog. Hey Genghis. Whoa, there he is, eh? Pretty boy. All right, go play. Go on. Good boy. So again, happy 420 all. This is Loner 420 from Loner 420 House. Yeah, just out for a stroll with the dog today. Hey Genghis, what's that? All right, signing out. Happy 420 all.